In this video, I will show you how to buy an Amazon gift card with crypto. So to do this, personally, I would use this website called Coinsbee because Amazon does not accept crypto as a payment method. So you will need to use an external website such as, for example, Coinsbee. They have really good reviews and they are legit in my opinion. So you can just go to coinsbee.com and search for the Amazon gift card. And here select your region. So for example, if you're from the United States, gonna select the United States right here. And then for the payment method, you can see they accept all of these cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, Ethereum, Tether or USDT, Tron, Cardano, and a few other ones. So from here, you can now just select the amount you want the gift card to be for. So for example, $25. And then here you can select which cryptocurrency you want to pay with. For example, I'll select Bitcoin. And then from there, you can click buy now. And then from within your cart, you can then go and enter the email that you want the gift card to be sent to. And then you need to agree to the terms and conditions and click continue. And from there again, select the correct coin type and network type. Now, if you have any of these payment methods, you can also use that. But from there, click confirm purchase with whatever cryptocurrency you want to use. And then you will get a wallet address that you can send the crypto to. So you can see right here, this is it for me. For you, it will be different. But just open up a crypto wallet and make a transfer for, in this case, Bitcoin in the exact amount it says there to this wallet address, which you can copy by clicking on the copy icon. And then once it's received, then the Amazon gift card will be sent to the email address. So that's how to buy an Amazon gift card with crypto. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.